When you need to file an insurance claim with Metro by T-Mobile, the process is actually handled through a company called Assurian, not T-Mobile directly. You have two main options for filing your claim. The easiest method is to visit the Assurian website and look for the File, Continue, and Track My Claim section. Alternatively, you can call Assurian directly by phone. When filing your claim, be prepared with specific information. You'll need your mobile phone number or IMEI number, your device's make and model, and a detailed description of what happened and when it occurred. For security purposes, Assurian may ask you to scan your government-issued ID for identity verification. This helps protect against fraudulent claims and ensures only authorized users can access the insurance benefits. Timing is important when filing your claim. You should report the incident as quickly as possible, generally within 60 days. However, T-Mobile allows up to 90 days unless your state law requires a different time frame. Finally, make sure you have your account PIN or security question ready, along with a payment method for the deductible. Having all this information prepared will make the claims process much smoother and faster. Once your Metro by T-Mobile insurance claim is approved, the first step is paying your deductible. This is a non-refundable fee that varies depending on your device tier. Keep in mind there are important limits on your coverage. You can only file 2 approved claims within a 12-month period, so use your protection wisely. For replacements, Assurian typically ships devices the next business day after approval. However, if you have a cracked screen, you might get same-day repair service at a U-Breaky-Fix by Assurian store. After receiving your replacement device, you must return the damaged device within 15 days using the prepaid shipping mailer that comes with your replacement. If you don't return it on time, you may be charged an additional fee. You can easily track your claim status online. You'll need either your mobile number or your device's IMEI number, plus your zip code. To find your IMEI, you can dial *#06# on your phone. Finally, remember what your Metro by T-Mobile device protection covers: accidental damage, loss, theft, and malfunctions. This includes your phone, standard battery, standard charger, and SIM card.